Tech Wave, where technology knows no bounds.
Guys, welcome to Tech Wave, where technology knows no bounds. Yes, it's been a while. I've been here because of due to some reasons that is beyond my control. Yes, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a standard background on CapCut, just like this one. I mean, how to create a portrait background or a blur background using CapCut. So whether you are a new graphic designer, whether you are a new video editor or you are just starting out or you are interested in videography, this video is for you. Follow this video. Let me teach you how to create a portrait background using CapCut on your phone or on your desktop. So ready, let's get started. But before we jump in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more tech contents like this. So let's get started. Yeah, so after launching your CapCut app, click on import. Yes, this is a video I want to remove the background or make the background a blur background. So drag it to your workspace, make a copy of it. So the shortcut is press and hold your Alt key and drag it to the top. Yes, so remove the background of the first layer. I mean the one you have copied. Yes, so it is applying now. So let's wait for it. Yes, so after the cutout has been completed, you can see the background has been removed now. You can see it right with your naked eye. So in order to make the background blur, just click on the second layer. So after clicking on the second layer, go to, I think, yes, so after going to the effects layer or the effects tools, yes, you can see it right at the left top corner. So this is it. So you can choose the one you preferred. So I usually use this one. So drag it and paste it here. So make it all over to the video, to the end of the video. So from now you can now reduce the blur. You've understand. So let's play the video and see. Guys, welcome to Tech Wave, where technology knows no bounds. Yes, so this is the blur background video. So here is the original one. I've made a video. Yes, so this is a way to apply blur background in your video using CapCut desktop. It is the same process using it on phone. So basically that's how to make your blur to create a blur background using CapCut desktop on your with your PC. So this is the basic way of doing it. So follow this page for more tech contents like this, for more advanced tech contents like this. But don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. You can also share your opinion at the comment section. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.